Hello, my friends. So I'm going to go over with you this new propulsion system based on some new science notions that I'm probably going to butcher. But this is another type of propulsion system that is theoretical. It's based on some of Maxwell's equations that seem to be superfluous, but they actually weren't. When exploring things like potential, electromagnetic charge and potential energy, potential electromagnetic field, potential entropy. Anyway, if you have a charge moving down a highly conductive metal, this charge gets a little bonus bit of energy from the potential energy. As it's approaching the center line, it gets extra added to it. And then as it's pushing away, it gets extra energy added to it from the position of the center point. And what this does is it creates this unusual effect where it creates a line of force in the center pushing the opposite direction. And it's energy, but it's also an electromagnetic line of force. And if you're able to cycle this incredibly quickly at incredibly high energies, you will create a force that's strong enough to propel a certain weight. Now, you could do the same thing with a craft and send the energy quickly down across the surface, adding the extra potential charge from the vector, and that needs to equalize. There has to be an equilibrium, and it creates the equilibrium by pushing backwards that way, the line of force. But you could also do it this way. On the craft, you could initialize it here and send the wave of energy across that direction, and the line of force would be that way. So a UFO could go that way very quickly. If it could cycle the energy across the surface from one point to the exact opposite other side, from any position on the craft, it could go any direction instantly, virtually instantly. And this is part of the Abramov thing and the green reciprocity, and there's all sorts of interesting factors and things that actually make this more powerful, and things you could do in the center of this area. So what do you guys think about this new discovery in Maxwell's equations? And they've discovered it's real and could be a means of propulsion.